Hey, Xbox and PS3 Master, JT Josh Taylor, that's my name, you should know it by now. This is my 34th video, I think, and I still haven't got at least 5 subscribers. That is awful. It's awful. Yeah. Oh, freaking Mozzie. Guys, what? Piss off, you dumb bug. Fuck's sake. Fuck off. Okay, I need your help, guys. I need more subscribers and stuff. So, I need subscribers. I don't know why. I just need them because otherwise my channel won't get big enough. And when I started out YouTube, I expected to be all famous or popular and stuff and getting subscribers like Snap, but I need your help. Because I need your help. I need your help to tell me what to do, like to tell me what to do to like videos and stuff. I also need help because I need more subscribers and people liking on my videos. Otherwise, mainly people liking. So then, even when people like it, then I'll get subscribers because it's higher up in the list. And if it's only like 10 likes or something, just subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. But I'd rather you do either of those two because I really need help. I'm only a kid, and yeah, otherwise I'm gonna be freaking annoyed. Or not really annoyed, just sort of sad that I didn't actually, sorry, just this, that I didn't get anything. Sorry. No, I didn't, because more likes and subscribers I have, I mean, I just want to be popular. That's all I wanted to go on YouTube for, really. I just wanted to be popular. And that's about it. Xbox and PS3 Master JT Josh Taylor signing out. Peace out, bros. Get it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Bye bye.